This week on stage.
If you are a frequent consumer of Jamaican social media content, you probably know the name Bawdacat.
That's Mr. Brother.
Cat, sir, welcome.
Yes, brother. Wagwan, man.
Well, just that alone make me laugh still.
Brother, I
So simple like that.
Yeah, man. That's the love of the black people, the treasure and the victory of we, the black people. Make we gain more love from the white. So you find that all the white will stand up for we, the black.
You're still in construction too, right now?
Well, I'm not doing any now, but if you have your house making and you want me there, I will be there.
The internationally acclaimed On Stage with Winford Williams.
Download our app and be on our stage anywhere, everywhere, always.
So much more than entertainment.